Good battle. Yeah, it's spinning. Big fish. Yeah.
September.
Short pumps. He just got eaten.
He's got hit?
Yeah, he's getting eaten. He's right here. Up, 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 up.
Oh, right. How much you got? Oh, that thing.
What do you want me to do?
Ah!
You got him. You got him.
Oh. Oh.
Got it.
Oh my God.
It just got eaten, I think. He's getting eaten.
Yes?
Yeah,
Aww.
I think so.
Okay, you got leader. Oh, yes,
What is
yes.
that?
It's a jack.
Is it a jack?
Yes.
It's not the right kind.
No, it's not.
One more pass, baby. One more pass. Here we go.
Same kind?
I think so. Kwame might be. I was in his line. He's got a mang. He's got a good mang. Like, yeah, he's got your line, babe.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's not. Do I keep reeling?
No, don't reel.
Reel?
Do not reel.
Nice one, Paul.
Yeah. Oh, man. Man?
Yeah, no one. Nice, babe.
Woo!
Got somebody's line.
Yappa King. Might be me.
Am I in line?
Yeah.
Can I reel or not? Nice, babe.
That big fella boy.
If it's red, it's got a shot. There's color. It's red. It's a red grouper, I think. That's a red grouper. That's probably a keeper, bro. That's a keeper. That's what a keeper looks like. That's what a keeper looks like, Kwame.
Oh, shit!
That's what a keeper red grouper looks like. He got a keeper. 100%, that's a keeper red grouper.